Hello, we are Minasfruit Agroindustria, with the objective of absorbing and industrializing the regional fruit production by turning fruit into whole pulp and high-quality juices. Minasfruit is located in the municipality of Visconde do Rio Branco, a small town in the state of Minas Gerais. Strategically surrounded by poplars of tropical fruits, Minasfruit is one of the greatest sponsors in regional agricultural development and a landmark company within the fruit culture pole in the region of Zona da Mata in Minas Gerais, Brazil. With over 30 years of experience, Maurício Campos, its founder, is the pioneer in industrialization and commerce of ready-to-drink tropical juices and whole aseptic pulps in Brazil. Knowledge, determination, technology, and food production safety are essential features of Minasfruit. Straight from the poplar to the hands of our customers. It's the fruit in the bottle. A great encourager of family agriculture, Minasfruit thus becomes responsible for the development and growth of these families that, in addition to securing part of the prime matters used in our production, they also keep alive local culture and regional development. Our fruit pulp is obtained through extraction of the edible part of whole, fresh, healthy and selected fruit. After pasteurization process, they are packed with aseptic packing technology that allows for stockage, transportation and logistics at room temperature with unchanged sensory features of the product. Excellence is what Minasfruit does not lack. Holder of the Le Verger brand, counting on a dynamic team, trained and properly integrated into all of our processes, we conquered internationally recognized certifications, like our organic certification, granted by IBD and the FSSC Food Safety, which gives us conditions to overcome limits and be present all over the world. We are taking our best, our products to many countries, pioneering the manufacture of ready-to-drink fruit juices without preservatives in Brazil. The packaging of our products is made by the hot fill system, also guaranteeing storage at room temperature and a shelf life of at least 12 months. All packaging used in the production of our juices are recyclable, with special emphasis on glass and metal cover, 100% recyclable. The concern with the preservation of the environment is one of the pillars of sustainability for Minasfruit. To care for the environment is to think of the future of our world, and that is what we do with lots of affection. Le Verger juices are produced in several flavors, in glass bottles of 290 milliliters and 1 liter, made from selected ingredients, giving their partners and customers satisfaction and well-being while consuming our products. Minasfruit Company, doing the best for you.